Hello, Cadiners. Do you ever wonder how a cadet becomes a captain? Yeah, I think it's very difficult, but let's break down the journey. The step one, you will start as a cadet. Of course, you will undergo academic and onboard training to learn the basic of navigation, safety, and ship operation. And then the step two is gain sea time. You need real experiences at sea to qualify for your next rank. This is where you learn discipline, teamwork, and leadership. And then step three, of course, you need to pass your exam. After enough sea time, you can take exam to become as third officers, then second officers, and then eventually chief officers. Yeah, as a chief officers, you are second in command. You manage cargo safety and also crew operation, and you can preparing for the final step. And the final step is step five. You will become a captain with experiences, leadership, and certification. You will command the entire ship and the crew. That is the step from a cadet to be a captain. It's very difficult, but you can step by step achieve these goals. And this is a journey of dedication. To be from cadet to captain, it's a journey of dedication, growth, and adventure. And I think you will be ready to lead at the sea. Okay. If you need maritime tips again, you can follow, subscribe, and also share this video to your friend. Bye bye.